The status bar is all the way down at the bottom of your screen in red, and it shows you the actual status of the current slides and presentation that you're working on. Let's go through from left to right, and I will show you what all these things are. Way over here on the left we have the slide number. It's going to show you what slide number you have actually selected. For example, if I click on the second slide, now I am on slide 2. I have 26 slides in total. After that is a spelling issue. It's going to point out any spelling issues that I might have with my presentation, and I can actually click on it if I want to spell check right from there. Next up we have the language pack. It's going to tell me the current language pack that this presentation is using. Way over here we have the speaker notes section. Now I can toggle this on or off, and it can disappear and appear at will. Now we'll be going over speaker notes a lot later on in the video. However, what speaker notes are to tell you quickly, it's something that you see that the audience will never see. For example, I am going to toggle this back on. Here are some reminders. These are things that I need to tell the audience, but I don't want them to see in slides. A quick click and it's toggled off. I can do the same thing with the comments, which is the next option. Comments is when we are sharing and creating this presentation with other people. They can add comments about certain slides and I can reply and then email it to them, and we can go back and forth. Again, a quick click and comments is toggled off. Next up is my view options. Now you will notice that one of them is highlighted. That's the current view that I am in. Right now I can hover my mouse over it, see what it's called, its normal view. This is the one you are going to be spending 99% of your time on, and we will talk about how to change the view later. Finally, way over here on the right, I have the zoom slide. Now I can actually take my mouse and slide it back and forth to zoom in or out of my presentation. This is useful if I want to see what it looks like from a distance, or if I want to zoom way in and work on a particular picture or arrow, something that I need to just get really up and close to it. At any time, if I want to get back to the view that I was currently in, I can simply click on this last right icon, fit to current window. Click on that once. It's going to refit the slide right on the slide pane so that it uses my entire screen. I can actually customize the status bar anytime by right-clicking anywhere in the red and unchecking or checking anything that I do or don't want to appear. So that's a quick tour of the status bar in PowerPoint.